Akeda, immediately after the Akeda, when there's the blessings, there's a section that says, may you go beyond the letter of the law for us and deal with us. Oh, Hashem, our God. And I was wondering, isn't the three-step process so that we could elevate ourselves so that we're judged as a new person, and that Hashem isn't able to go beyond the law that He set?
Okay, so in this case, it's a very good question. So in this case, so we said, Hashem, look what Yitzchak did. So he went beyond of the law. So no, it's not okay. You're not obligated to give up your life. So okay, somebody, even your father, wants to kill you because he wants to be a holy man. Okay, let the father kill the goat or something. Don't kill me. You understand? So Yitzchak was not under any obligation to sacrifice himself, but he understood the occasion, and he rose up to occasion, and he said, "Okay, that's what would make my Hashem happy, even though I do not understand." So some people, I have this, unfortunately, this secular mentality, this secular education. So I had this person, this lady. She had a lot of educations and she was very smart. So she said, unless I know everything in details, I cannot do. And that's how she was trained. She's like in a science. She's a scientist. You understand? So, and she was like, but to go to know the laws of Shabbos in all of the details, I don't know. If you ask me if I know all of the laws of Shabbos in details, I would say absolutely not. I know many of them. But do I remember all of the details? Not. I know many, but there is many intricate details, many situations that we don't cover. Like it's like exceptional situation. Okay, so if we would wait until we know all of the laws, it's never going to happen. You understand? So the mind of the Jew. Okay, I know this part. I know that I cannot light the light on Shabbos, fire. Okay, I'm going to start with that. So my observance Shabbos is going to be whatever I know. I know I cannot squeeze the tea bag. Okay, so I'm not going to squeeze the tea bag. I of course I desecrate many other things. So I desecrate many other things. So I'm going to get to them. I'm just starting out. You understand? So same concept is here. Yitzchak, right? So he said, I do not understand. Hashem, look, my Holy Father had this vision that that's what needs to be done. And he was a truthful person all his life. So if I need to be a sacrifice, I'm going to be sacrificed. So he went, in this sense, he went beyond the letter of the law. Nobody is required to die unless three cardinal sins, but he was not a Jew at that point. So he was not obligated to die, especially since that's what idol worshippers did, right? They sacrificed their children. And Abraham and Sarah were fighting all their life for the people to stop sacrificing their children. And now Hashem said, Abraham, take your son. Take your only son, the son that you love Yitzchak. So we have to understand, when you fight for a cause and you have a leader, Hashem, right? And he tells you that that's you're good. You continue doing, Abraham, continue inspired all the people, and then he said, take your own son. So just think about how many of us would pass this test, right? And all the people will surround the mountain and say, listen, you Abraham, you're a hypocrite, right? You told us for 50 years not to do that, right? Or how many years? And now that's what you do. You're doing yourself. So you're a hypocrite. We sacrifice to our idols. You sacrifice to God. What is the difference? You understand? So that's beyond the letter of the law. Abraham said, I'm going to do. Hashem said, I'm going to do. Do I understand? Absolutely not. And the beauty of being a simple Jew, right? It's not so simple to be a simple Jew, right? So I'm simple Jew. I say it's not so simple. Right, so to this simple Jew is Hashem says we do. You don't need to understand. When we bless with understand, we're going to bless and we do first and then we learn. So that's our approach. Yeah, go ahead. What else?
Thank you very much.